Hello everyone! So nandito na ako sa airport. Pupunta na naman kami somewhere. So pupunta kami Iloilo. Pero before namin mag-board, kasi sobrang aga namin today. Siyempre, kakain muna kami. So dim sum buffet muna kami dito sa Henlin. Cravings namin ay siopaw. Tsaka mga dim sum. Si ate, kung saan na naman pumupunta. Story time kung bakit pupunta kami ng Iloilo. Habang kumakain ng chicken feet at tsaka ng siopaw. So, syempre nakikipag-agawan pa sa audio yung announcement, di ba? So, yung pagpunta namin ng Iloilo, sa pilitan lang to. Kasama namin yung mga childhood friends ko from the province, from Borongan. So, ang gagawin namin, some of us will fly from Manila. Tapos yung iba, galing na ng Tacloban. Tapos sa Iloilo na kami magkikita. So, matagal na namin plan umalis as a group. And when I tell you as a group, sobrang big group talaga namin, like 10, 15. Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilan kami ngayong pupunta sa Iloilo. Pero for ano lang talaga, for fun. Tapos kakain kami doon and then we're going to visit Gigantes Island and then we're also going to Guimaras. Saka syempre mag-food trip sa Iloilo. So it's my second time in Iloilo and in Guimaras. Pero first time kong magpupunta ng Gigantes Island. So yun yung kwento behind Iloilo. So we're here at Iloilo International Airport. Medyo na-delayed yung flight namin, pero we're here! So yun, ito yung arrivals area nila. And then, ito po yung sundo. Hello po! Alright, we're on our way to the hotel. Yay! Ang saya-saya. Ayan, so dumating na kami, nag-check-in na kami dito sa hotel namin in Iloilo. So this is Hop In. Actually, hindi kami namili nito, yung mga kasama namin yung namili. But it's okay. It's budget-friendly at the same time. Malapit sa center ng lahat. Malapit dito yung SM, malapit yung Atria, malapit yung Esplanade. So I think it's a good choice. Hop In is very basic. Nasa 5th floor yung room namin. Kinuha namin yung twin beds, of course, kasi ayaw namin tabi. Pero talagang very compact siya. Tignan nyo kung gaano ka nipis. Masikip siya kasi ang taba. Kung kunwari tutulugan lang. So very basic. May dalawang bed lang. Ayan. Tapos meron naman silang towels. Meron ding TV. Yung water sa labas. Yun. Free naman yung water nila. And this is the bathroom. So yung bathroom nila very basic lang din. But at least meron ding hair dryer. And then, maliit lang din talaga yung shower. This space is quite tight. Pero kung wala namang problema sa inyo with tight spaces, if yun nga, tutulugan nyo lang at saka paglalagyan ng gamit in Iloilo. So, it's okay. So, ngayon, we're going out to get some food. Hindi namin alam kung saan. Actually, hindi ko talaga napag-aralan tong trip na to. Pero, gusto ko sana bok choy. Okay, so nag-decide si ate na magne-netongs kami. So, hinahanap niya na ngayon kung paano pupunta doon. Let's go! Let's walk! It's just very near. It's just very near. Pero nagtatanong si ate dito. Ayan. Tinuturo ni kuya yung directions going to Netongs. Alright? Ano?
Let's go!
Let's go! It's such a nice day here in Iloilo. Nice night. Ang ganda, oh! Sunset. Ang dami around dito. Ayun natin yung Felicia's look. Ayun, so ang daming ano dito. Uy, okay daw dyan sa Azul. Tapos, this is just Seda right here. Tapos, ayan yung Rotonda. Tapos, ang ganda ng sunset, guys. Oh my God, ang ganda. This is such a good day for, exploring. Good night exploring Iloilo. Ayan. Ayan, sabi arrived na daw. Oh, ito na. Oh, it's so nice here. May art gallery dito. Tapos ito yung Netongs Original Special La Paz Batch. Haba kang haba. Yan yung puto nila. That goes well with the either dinuguan or bok choy din. Tapos meron din silang ibang mga stuff available here. Alright, so they first serve yung puto. And so we have our extra soup. and then the bok choy.
Mega.
So, ito na yung mga in-order namin. Ito yung Mega Lapas Bok Choy. Yan. And then, meron din kaming dinuguan. And then, puto. Mag-unbox tayo ng puto na din. So, yan. Ina-unbox na ni ate yung puto. Tadaan! So, these are the...
Perfect for the...
Perfect yan for dinuguan. And perfect also for bok choy. Ayan, so sarap na sarap siya sa puto talaga. Bok choy. Yung bok choy, this is a Ilonggo dish na merong noodles, syempre. Tapos meron siyang chicharon, merong beef, merong liver. Tapos garlicky yung soup niya. Meron ding mga chive. So may extra sabaw dito. Tapos syempre perfect to with puto.
Perfect.
Okay, so to try ko na yung puto. I'll first try this with the labas bok choy. Sasasaw natin yan dyan. And then we're gonna eat it. Very dense yung puto. Tapos perfect siya na punch dun sa soup. Diba? Okay, to try ko naman sa dinuguan.
Mas masarap.
Their dinuguan here has that tanglad flavor with the aso. Sobrang sarap guys. So, syempre, bigyan natin ng highlight yung lapas bok choy kasi ito talaga pinunta natin. Their lapas bok choy is an iconic Ilonggo dish. So, we're gonna try it out. Good job yung mga meats na kasama dun sa bok choy. Naka-slice ng maliliit. So, good yun kasi in every bite may kasamang mga meats.
Chicharon.
Tsaka ang sarap ng chicharon. Pag natutunaw talaga yung chicharon sa soup, di ba pag sa munggo may chicharon, tapos talagyan mo ng soup. Binigyan kasi kami ng extra bowl ng soup. So, sasali natin para mas marami. Gusto ko talaga yung nakabib siya eh. Ano ba yun? Parang Spider-Man naman yan, te. So, hindi namin napigilan. Nag-order pa kami ng isa pang puto. Okay, so here's our bill. Isa lang yung pinabili ko kasi kakain pa kami sa iba. Sarap. Sarap. Okay. We're done with Netong. So, we're gonna look around kung ano pa pwedeng makainan. Pero dito, it's nice. So, meron nagbabas. Merong House of Monkeys. Meron. Tapos, meron din gallery dito, oh. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, let's go to Madge Cafe this time. So, yan, meron daw sa loob. Punta tayo sa loob. Okay, so nandito tayo sa Madge Cafe. And this is their branch dito sa may Atria. But the original branch is in, in the Palengke.
Card?
Yes. Oh, kala mo naman siya magbabayad. Kung makatanong pa ng, do you accept card? Eh, ako rin naman magbabayad.
Parang tayo nagkakain. Okay. Kulang tayo sa card. Parang gusto ko ng halo.
Oh, wait lang. Where's this sandwiches and bread? But we get the coffee. Tsaka sandwiches and bread. Hello! So, second stop namin, we're at the iconic na Madge Cafe. But this is again, their branch dito sa may Atria. So again, yung original branch nila is in the Palengke of La Paz. Pupuntahan din natin, yung ito-try din natin puntahan ngayon during our stay here. But for now, dito muna kasi ito yung malapit sa hotel. So, we have ordered yung regular coffee with milk. And I also watched the kuya make the coffee, brew the coffee in a traditional way. So ito na yung kape natin. Dinala na ni kuya yung coffee natin. Okay po, thank you so much! So dumating na rin yung imported chocolate cake, which is the best seller of Kalea, na hindi namin in-order sa Bacolod. And then we also have the, ano nga to ate? Ito ba yung medium or regular? Okay, so
Hindi tayo nag-strong.
regular lang kasi baka hindi tayo mag-isip. Oo, correct. So yan siya. I guess hindi siya sweetened kasi may brown sugar nakasama sa gilid. Pero titikman muna natin siya ng walang brown sugar. The coffee taste, wow, talagang you can see the oils coming out from the coffee kasi na-brew niya yung I think the way they brewed it, talagang makita mo may parang film ng oil coming from film coming from the coffee beans. So it's really good. Milky siya. I didn't put any sugar just yet. I might not put sugar kasi
I will not put sugar because
kakain
I'm going to
kami.
eat the chocolate cake.
Kasi kakain kami ng chocolate cake from Kalea. I miss Kalea. Okay, let's try it now. Oh my God. Super sarap. So, tita comment, hindi masyadong matamis. Super yum, guys. Order kayo dito, masarap dito. Masarap dito, punta kayo dito, masarap. Mura pa. One slice of cake is 195 pesos. Imagine that for this quality of cake. Masarap.
Parang Mary Grace ng cake niya, yung chocolate cake.
Tama.
Diba?
But less sweet.
Less sweet, oh.
Less sweet. But yeah, para siyang Mary Grace.
Yung chocolate cake.
Ayan na, nag-regroup na kami. Andito na yung mga team Tacloban. Katsaka team Manila. We're here.
Hindi na mga Chona.
Hindi na mga Ate Chona.
Mayak.